Hey, this is Greg, Underground Graphics. I wanted to give you guys a quick install video on the TRX hood graphic install. This is actually a new product for us. We've done our version of this hood for those of you that didn't get that from the dealer. This is an OEM hood, so we just took a new rubbing. We got a new inlay for this. I do want to say you will get a little bit, just a hair of that paint showing in between the red and then your matte black. But again, we're going to be using the 3M 2080 air release wrap vinyl for this. This will be a gloss red, give you some longevity, very easy to install. When you get that, you're going to get that just like this. I would cut a little bit off that. You want as little mask, because we're just going to do this dry. We're going to kind of slide that into position and let that fall right in that slot. To clean the hood, again, water alcohol mix is what we like. Just make sure there's no debris on this. I've already gone back and done that. Just a quick wipe down. We can go ahead and pull this whole thing back. And again, try to get no stretch on this. You really just kind of want to slide that right. It'll have a little bit of pliability. And there we go. Again, you'll get a squeegee with that if you want to put a microfiber on the edge of your squeegee. Really it. We'll go back with a little bit of heat. Again, since this is wrap vinyl, you do want to give it a little bit of a post heat. Hood will probably do that for you when this engine starts up. But that's going to just check, make sure there's no air pockets under there. This just gets a good bond with that adhesive. Alright, and that is really it. We're going to go ahead and get some photos. I will show you some close-ups of that. And next I'm going to show you, these OEM hoods come with in a matte black. We offer a matte and a satin option, and it's kind of a little bit of both. And I'm going to show you the third option, which is now available. So here is that close-up. I'm not sure how well this is going to come through with this camera, but I wanted you guys to know there is going to be a little bit of a hairline of that paint around that edge in between the red and that factory hood graphic. Only way to get around that is really to replace with one of our new graphics and just put the red on top, and that is an option as well. Give us a call if you have any questions.